2015 Audi S5 Supercharged 3.0. Woohoo! Let me show you guys what we done on full complete system. So we left the stock downpipes for now. Added an X pipe because this system that he ordered does not come with an X pipe. So we added an X pipe. Part number SXP3, 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out. Then it's a whole complete 2 1/4 system all the way back. All stainless steel by ECS Performance. There they are. It's a valve system. The valves are not hooked up at the moment because they have to be hardwired. So he has to take them to his mechanic and they will hardwire them in. But we installed the system for him. As you guys can see, the valve is closed on each side, right there and right there. But it's okay. Here's the tip number if you guys want it. But it's a full kit. I'll get you guys a link in the description for it. I'll get it from them. It's around $2,200 to $2,500 for the whole system delivered. It eliminates the front resonators, middle resonator, and the mufflers. Where's the mufflers? Was it straight piped out the back?
It was, yeah.
Yeah, there's a straight pipes out the back right there. So we took all that off and updated it. Came with a lot of boxes and a lot of parts and stuff. But there it is. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. All right, guys. Check it out. 2015 Audi S5. Clean car. Beautiful. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got cats up there somewhere on the manifolds. Then these are resonators. They are not cats, so they can be cut off and pipe replaced with them, okay? As of right now, we're just going to leave them alone. Then he ordered an AWE system. That big old box right there. And we installed it. It starts right there at those 2 clamps. Reuse the Audi clamps there. X pipe goes into the first resonator, a dual in, dual out resonator. Then branches back out on each side into 2 mufflers with the 180 technology. 180 technology by AWE, so they're not supposed to drone at all. So we'll see. I haven't had any complaints. We've installed a few of their systems, the AWE. Never had any problems with drone. So there they are, and then they come with the tips out the back. Really clean, really nice, as you guys can see there. It's a beautiful car, too. Appreciate them bringing it in. And then you got the 2 mufflers there, and the midsection right there. That's what we took off. Part number on the AWE. Hopefully, will be here somewhere. There it is. There's the part number on the AWE. We'll have a link in the description. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. He can help you out inside if you like, too. Rev it! That's the valve. Still sounds really nice.
So it's really just that?
I don't want to.
I won't mess with it.
It's just, man, it was such a pain to mess with. By the way, guys, it was a little bit of a hard workout to get this system put on. We had a little bit of trouble, but we got it done. But it takes a little bit longer. It's the quality of the installation was a little bit off. We'll just say that. Again, here's sound decibels. Right at 95.4. It still sounds really nice. Again. I like it. Here's the parts number on the system, guys, right here. Full section. 4164604. And it is ECS Performance Exhaust. Really cold today, guys, too. That's why you seen it smoke. But just normal. It's not cold. The car's not cold. It's just the weather's cold. It's all the way from Arlington, so it's far. We appreciate him bringing it down. We hooked them up. Sounds really nice. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. idle, it's like 67. Wow. There's idle. It's very, very quiet. Give a guess. When you get on it, it opens up. That's good. Sounds cool. Yeah, that sounds really clean. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 108. Again. It sounds so go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we're located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us for all your exhaust needs. V6 turbo. Dude, that sounds so good. Take those front ones off and open up a little bit more. Have you done anything to the motor? What's been done to the motor?
Fully ultracharger and a stage 2 plus tune.
All right, there you go. Hopefully you guys were able to hear that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Pop the hood for me too. So he's got a stage 2 tune, some a bunch of stuff done to the motor. It's a hidden gem. You'll hear the whine of the supercharger. Do it again. Yeah, that never gets old. Again. Oh, beautiful. All right. He's gonna give us a launch. Are you guys ready for a launch? Let's see what this thing can do. S5. Sexy beast. Did you see that? What do you think?
Hey, that's sweet right there.
That's sweet right there. If you guys don't know, this thing's pushing 500 horsepower. So let's see the takeoff. I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised how fast this thing will disappear. Perfect stance. I love the wheels on it. Just a good, clean looking car. Wow. What did I tell you guys? That sucker flies. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.